Once upon a time in a peaceful village, there lived a group of cheerful animals who were known for their unity and kindness. Among them were Freddie the fox, Benny the bunny, and Pippa the parrot. One sunny day, the village was hit by a terrible storm. Strong winds blew, trees swayed, and houses trembled. In the chaos, the animals' favorite meeting tree was uprooted and fell, causing a deep rift among them. Freddie, Benny, and Pippa were devastated. They realized that without their meeting tree, they couldn't share stories or solve problems together. Each blamed the others for not taking better care of the tree. The once harmonious village turned silent and gloomy. One night, an owl named Oliver visited the village. With his wisdom, Oliver observed the sadness and conflict among the animals. He called a meeting and spoke, "In unity lies strength. Rebuilding the tree won't solve the problem, but working together will." The animals realized their mistake and apologized to each other. They decided to build a new meeting tree as a symbol of their unity. Freddie used his cleverness to gather building materials, Benny dug a hole, and Pippa spread positivity through her songs. Days turned into weeks, and the animals worked tirelessly. Finally, their new meeting tree stood tall, stronger than ever. Excitedly, they gathered around it, sharing stories, laughter, and solving problems together. The village thrived once more, and the animals learned the value of unity, forgiveness, and cooperation. From that day on, they cherished their meeting tree and their unbreakable bond, teaching future generations the importance of togetherness. And so, the village flourished with love, understanding, and a lesson that would be remembered for generations to come.